Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to part 2 of my flower wall clock special. In today's video, I will be gluing on the numbers and attaching the hands for the clock. So for this next part, you will need some clear glue. I got this at Hobby Lobby and a movement kit, which is the hands, where the battery goes, and the numbers. I got that at Michael's. Try not to put too much glue. Small little dab should be good enough to keep them down, because on the packaging the numbers supposedly already have adhesive on them. You just need to gently press them down, but I use glue. It's better to be safe than sorry. One strategy I do use when I'm gluing on the numbers is I go with the corner numbers first, so 12 and 6, and then 9 and 3. And then after that I go with the diagonal numbers. But that's just me. So I have the numbers all glued on. I think it looks pretty cool. Next up to do is adding the clock movement kit. That's over here to my left. There are some small pieces like washers and the hands, so make sure you don't lose those pieces, otherwise your wall clock won't work. So the way it goes is the mechanism goes in first through the hole. You've got a circle washer that goes second, hexagon washer that goes third, and you'll want to tighten that because that's what holds the mechanism in place. Once that's done, you'll add your hour hand, and then second will be the minutes hand. And you're going to want to make sure they're all pointing towards 12. Once you do that, there's one small little washer that is on the mechanism. you're going to want to take that off and then screw it on. That's going to be the 4th or 5th piece. And then after that, it's the last piece, which is the 2nd hand. And there we have it, all done. A flower wall clock. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. And yes, it does work. As you can hear it ticking. You just gotta make sure to, set your time on the back. It has a little dial where you can do that.